Hello, we are on a Linux world today, and I gonna show you how to compile and run cross engine on this machine. Again, this is freshly installed copy of Linux. I made some pre-downloads. I created folder mouse inside our home directory and an archive files that are located on GitHub. It's really easy. I was showing it in previous series. Just download it in an archive. So, even before we begin, there's a couple of things should be pre-installed on our environment because we need C++ compile. We also need several libraries which cross rely on. I could have made some script to like execute this all, but I think it's let's have a little bit of fun and type some commands in console. So first of it, we need sudo apt update. Well, this command is not actually updates anything. It only updates versions of available repositories. Then we need to install C++ build environment. Let's do it. Sudo apt install build essential. Yes, please. Then we need to install glue library. Sudo apt install libglue dev. Glue is a OpenGL support library. Its main job help user code understand which is OpenGL version is available on a on a current platform, not lab but lib. Yes. The next library cross is using is glfv. Sudo apt install libglfv3. Don't want to update. 3 dev. glfv is a cross-platform library for creating Windows and OpenGL context. And the last library we need is GTK. Sudo apt install libgtk dev. GTK is GTK3, I think. GTK is cross-platform UI library, which we need only for one reason: to show error dialog if something got wrong in our execution. Well, this is it. Let's close up console. I already show you how to compile our engine using Visual Studio, using Xcode and CLion, but let's cover something new today. Let's try to build it using VS Code. I think diversity is a good thing. It should be available on default Ubuntu App Center, VS Code, or just code. Yes, it's named code. Let's install it. Done. Let's open it up. How does it works? We need to provide it a root folder, which it will associate with a project. Let's do it. Open a folder, mouse, cross, select. Yes, I trust this also because it's me. Here we need to do one thing first. Because we are relying on CMake build tool, we need to download and install CMake. We need to do it inside extension CMake tools. I think we need this one, second one. Let's install it. Let's restart our VS Code. As you can see, it's automatically detect CMake file list. We need to use this GCC compiler. I think it's only one which is available. But it's not working. It said bad CMake executable. Well, this is because I think we need also CMake to be installed across our system. Let's do it. Let's make another console command. It's gonna be sudo apt install CMake. Yes. Let's close it. Let's try to build CMake again. As we can see, CMake window is appeared and some buttons like launch. Let's try to launch our project. As you can see, files are building. And we are successfully launched our engine on Linux machine. Super cool. Let's go to and open some basic scene. Triangle. Triangle works. Let's see some stats. 60 FPS. Let's go back. Let's open up something more difficult. Oh, not responding. It start to respond. Cool, cool. Looks like we have game engine running inside Linux environment. There's still one platform we need to cover, and this is Android. I will be following Android build in the same Linux machine I've just used, but it's not essential. You can use Linux, Mac, whatever you prefer better. So let us begin. Firstly, let's download Android Studio. It should be available on our App Center again. Android Studio. Yes, here it is. Install. Password. It's downloaded. Let's open it up. Don't send statistics, but you could if you like. Next. This is a tricky one. I think we could make it more optimized by installing only components we needed. But for the simplicity purposes of this tutorial, let's just go next. I accept everything. Next. Okay, it's downloaded everything that it was needed for initial launch. I think it's gonna download even more stuff later. But let us begin. Let's open up our project. It's already downloaded. I was showing you for the Linux build tutorial. Inside mouse we have our cross project, but right now instead of open it root folder, we need to go deeper. Let's go to the demo directory. Let's go to the project, and here we can find Android project, and let's open it up. Yes, trust this project. Can it run Git? Okay, we don't need Git. Invalid with mapping. Let's close it up. Invalid GDK configuration and define Java home. Gradle was changed to use embedded GDK. I think it's okay. Let's check what is happening here. And it's downloading more stuff. And it says build successful. Let's try to build actual APK file, or just prepare to build it. But after we will wait for indexation. And yes, we build an APK file. Let's try to install it into the actual device. By the way, this is some Linux machine we were working with. But let's back to Android. I think it's a time to connect our phone. USB debugging should be enabled under developer options. Well, for ages Android has some problem where device is not found in system until file transfer is enabled. Hello. And here we are. We have my Pixel 10 successfully found in my Android Studio. Let's try to launch application on it. And here we are. Cross++ is running on Android system. Let me capture the video. And let's try our regular stuff. Check for triangle, rotate it, check for some other thing, check for texture loading, check for lighting condition, direct light, multi-light environment. Let's check model loading and some normal map textures. And my favorite scene, which is apocalypse scene. And here we are. It could be view of chain landscape mode. Let's check components. It's not very convenient. So yes, I think we're done. We've covered all the operating system Cross is working with.